Hello, this is Tom from Stafford Audi, and today I'll be taking you around this approved used Audi Q2 S-Line 30 TFSI with a 6-speed manual gearbox. This particular model is finished in the stunning progressive red metallic paintwork and looks super sporty and stylish from every angle. This being the 30 TFSI, you get the 1 litre turbo petrol engine producing 114 brake horsepower and 200 Nm of torque. And with it being the S-Line model, you get multiple elements of chrome and matte grey design. On the front we have these fabulous LED headlights with LED daytime running lights, giving you maximum visibility regardless of weather condition. And on all four corners, the 18-inch 5-segment spoke design alloy wheels finished in silver, offering a lovely contrast to that red metallic paintwork and tying in really nicely with the S-Line styling package. The electrically operated tailgate can be opened on the key fob or the boot lid itself with the button under the Audi rings. This reveals plenty of storage space for your everyday essentials, weekend away luggage and your weekly family shop. The interior is finished in part leather and part cloth for maximum luxury and comfort with the contrasting grey stitching. Both outer seats also come with Isofix points so you can safely and securely travel up to 2 child seats in the rear of the vehicle. The virtual cockpit can be configured to your wants and needs using the left side of the multifunction controls. On the right, your volume and voice controls such as mid-journey phone calls, and underneath to the left your cruise control and speed limiter for those longer motorway journeys. From the central touchscreen display you can access Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as well as DAB and FM radio stations or simply navigation. Underneath this we have the Audi Drive Select, which gives you maximum control of the overall feel and drive of the vehicle. And this vehicle also comes with rear parking sensors, so when in reverse it brings up a visual and audio reference so you know when you're getting too close to the obstacle behind. With the manual air conditioning, you're in full control of the temperature, direction and speed of the air, as well as the air conditioning and recirculation controls. Thank you for taking the time to watch this short video on the approved used Audi Q2 S-Line 30 TFSI 6-speed manual, which is available at Stafford Audi in progressive red. If you have any questions or queries, do not hesitate to contact our sales team, and if you wish to take a look at the vehicle, do not hesitate to come on down to the showroom.